Cutaway's RD26. Now this is the top end of the Alvarez that we do here. And it's a beautiful guitar, Sunburst. It's got a built-in pickup, equalizer, tuner. And with all the Alvarez that we do here, you've got a fantastic gig bag. A lot of the gig bags out there, you get them with your guitar, they're pretty crummy. You end up having to buy another one anyway, so you're saving yourself 25, 30 euro just by just having a decent gig bag. A lot of the gig bags that are giving out cheap guitars these days, they only last a couple of weeks. And the zips break, etc, etc. But this guitar, you can just see the work that's gone into this, you know, for its value. The back of it there now. Beautiful, lovely neck, nice ease. So, you know, for somebody who's, you know, really interested in going upscale a little bit, I mean, just the value is just amazing. As I've said in a few of the other clips, these days the quality that you can get of it. I in fact there are some guitars of this quality for this price that are better than the guitars that are €1,000. I picked up some of the top end guitars and I personally wouldn't use them myself, you know, so here we go. Just listen to that quality.